For more than 2,000 years, one civilization moved the impossible.
No machines, no steel, no engines.
Only physics, mastered by human hands. They learned how to make stone move by understanding the ground beneath it. They multiplied strength without multiplying force. This was not brute labor, it was engineering. Precision required discipline. And discipline created control.
Knowledge passed down, not through books, but through systems.
How did they move these colossal stones? The secrets of ancient Egyptian engineering have baffled scientists for centuries.
Ancient Egypt was not built in a single moment.
From the Old Kingdom, where monumental construction first reshaped the landscape, through the Middle Kingdom, where technique became standardized, where engineering reached its full expression. The tools were simple. The systems were not. These were engineered processes, refined through generations. Knowledge passed from master to apprentice without ever being written. To understand how Egypt built its monuments, we must begin with the simplest machine of all. The simplest machine became the foundation of an empire. A lever does not fight weight. It redirects it. Lifted not in moments, but in increments.
Raise! Secure!
Physics at work, long before it had a name. Small advantages multiplied by discipline. Coordination turned effort into control. Weight was not conquered by strength, but by system. Across centuries, the method endured. Tools refined by repetition.
Modern tests confirm what ancient builders already understood.
The lever did not build monuments alone. Prepared the way for motion. Lifting stone was only half the problem. To move weight, friction had to be controlled. The solution lay beneath their feet. Wet sand transformed resistance into motion. By reducing friction, human effort doubled in effect. Movement became coordinated. Efficiency scaled through repetition. These scenes were recorded not as myth, but as instruction. Modern physics confirms the effect. Force applied smoothly prevented loss of energy. Stone arrived intact and on schedule. The method endured, refined, not replaced.
But some lifts demanded more than sliding.
When sliding was no longer enough, rotation changed everything. Simple wheels, carved from timber, transformed direction into advantage.
Pulling down lifted stone up.
Force redirected, without loss. Strength multiplied through balance. Not a single pulley, but systems of rotation. Precision replaced brute force. Physics, quietly at work. Control was absolute. Rotation made the vertical possible. Together, these were not tools. What survived in stone is confirmed in experiment. Ancient Egyptian engineering was never a single invention. It was a system built on coordination. Each technique supported the next.
This was engineering as organization. And when that organization vanished, the knowledge faded with it.
An integrated process, refined over generations. When the builders were gone, their knowledge did not remain. This engineering was never written, it was practiced. As empires fell, systems broke apart. Only through reconstruction can fragments of this knowledge return. Ancient Egypt did not lose its technology. It passed it to time, waiting to be understood again.